Hello YouTube! This is the second video of our tutorial where we create a load balancer for our instance. You might be wondering what a load balancer is. If I explain it very shortly, it's a distribution of network that enables efficient traffic to our website. Enough talking. If you remember from the last video, we created an instance and it is running very well. The road to a successful website requires a load balancer for efficient trafficking, and that's what we are going to do now. We go to the dashboard on the left side, and if we scroll down, we see load balancing, and we have to click this load balancer link. As a default, there is no load balancer created, so we have to go to this blue button and click create load balancer. Since we would like to deploy an application, we go to the first one and click create. As usual, we have to give it a name. We start with the app name and then the property, so it is going to be load balancer. Now our load balancer has a name, and as you can see, it listens to the port 80. Down here we have the availability zones, and I am going to select all of them because we want our application to be available all the time. Why do we need this? Because if a request is made to the first zone and it's not available, then it goes to the other zones until it finds an available one. Actually, requests are rerouted depending on the trafficking at the point. Now we have filled all the necessary information and this form is clear. Now we can move to the next, configure security settings. Oh, you might be wondering why I didn't put here HTTPS protocol, because we do not have SSL certificate yet. That will come on later. Since we do not have an SSL certificate and we did not put any HTTPS protocol for our load balancer, we also do not have to put anything in this configuration. I will show you how to get an SSL certificate at the end of this tutorial, but now we should move on to the security groups. Since we created the security group when we launched our instance, we can directly select it here and we do not have to create another security group. Moving to the next section, here we have to create a target group, and you know we start with the app name, Pandapara for me, and then the value, which is target group. Now our target group has a name, its type is instance, it listens to port 80, and we can go to down here to advanced health check settings. I will enter threshold value of 2, so it's going to check only 2 times and interval 10 seconds for each. If you want more health checks or longer intervals, you can just change them. I think you can go up to 10. Oh, you can see it here that you can go up to 10, and this one can go up to 300 seconds. I think it's not necessary to go really that long, so I will just leave it like this and go to the next section. Last part is about registering targets. We only have one running instance. We select that one and we click add to registered, and now you can see it's registered already, and we can go to review. Let's check all the information, and I see that the port number is 80 and protocol is HTTP. As I said, we will also add secure line at the end of the tutorial. So now for now it's good, and we create. The load balancer gets created very quickly, and we have successfully created it, and you can see it here on this page, and I will see you in the next video.